Hi there. Today, very special for me. I waited 6 weeks for that. A Zippo, and for me a special one, because that will be my new everyday use Zippo. It took ages from the USA to Germany, 6 weeks. And it's very valuable. I paid 55 customs on it. So let's open it. I'm very surprised. It was pre-opened by German customs. They checked what's inside. I think I cut the invoice, but don't care. I'm really surprised how it looks. Invoice, and here it is. Oh, come on, let's focus. Please focus. Okay, it says, you can read that. I will. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's awesome. Here again. I'm really surprised how it looks on real. I'm really surprised. It was very expensive. I paid, I think, $120 including shipping, so it's basically €90 plus 15 German customs. Okay. It's a very nice box. This pouch. Zippo warranty. Let's open it, fuck it. I will use that. Wow. Can you see that? 2013 Sterling Zippo, made in USA. I hate when that not focus. So basically it's high polish sterling silver, the one with the slashes. Wow. Looks really nice. I will use it for sure. I love it now. That's fucking awesome. Very shiny. I decided to order it on high polish because silver is a weak metal. Yeah, and when I use it, there will be many wear on it, and if you got one with brushed finish or something, finish will. Wow. my phone fall down. If you got one with a brushed finish or satin finish, the finish will rub off because silver is weak metal. Okay. It looks really nice. Really nice. The insert is made in K13. Okay. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.